Hey y'all, the vocal doctor here. As my people are still asking, why do we take voice lessons? Well, let me give you reason number four. Number four is resonance. Resonance is how the sound feels inside the mouth. It resonates inside by the lips, tongue, teeth, up here in the nasal cavities, in the head, also in the chest, and in the back of the throat. So this one is a harder one to understand, but when you hum, you have a hum, you're going to feel a little tingle, and you get to lower your larynx, or raise the soft palate, which is the back of the mouth, in the back, or lower your tongue. Once you have created that concept, you want your volume to flow out slowly. Once you know all of these things, this is the reason we take voice lessons. Click the link in my bio and leave your name once you do that. And once you leave your name, please make sure that you sign up for my free webinar that's going to be coming up soon. So make sure you leave your name in my information so you can be part of that class. You might get to click on and be demonstrated with, okay? So we're learning. Right now, we're all talking about why we take voice lessons. So don't forget. All right, see y'all later. Bye.